Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am drawing a cool emoji. Okay, so how will we draw a cool emoji? We will draw a line like this. These are the goggles which our emoji is wearing. Then this again slanting line and then a semicircle. Okay, then we will draw the head of emoji, which is like this. Okay, now we will draw the face of emoji. Oh, it's looking like a Spider-Man. Now the eyebrows, a little nose and cool look. Yeah, these are the shades which our emoji is wearing. Wow, it's super easy. Is it not, guys? This is such a sweet and super easy drawing. Okay, so I'm not going to color my emoji. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to color the cogs. I'm keeping my emoji as black and white. If you want, you can definitely color it with yellow, since as we know most of the emojis are of yellow color. So here I'm not using my marker, I'm using the brush pen. So if you want to show to someone that you are a cool person, you can always draw an emoji for that person and can say, hey, I'm cool like this emoji. Thank you so much for watching my video, such a small and sweet video. Please make this emoji, and if you like this video then please give a big thumbs up to show that you like it, and please do try it at home. Thank you, bye bye.